Welcome back. This is the next recording. However, we're going to start off a little differently. Today is Saturday, March 14th, 2020. And due to the coronavirus and recent events, our schools in San Diego were canceled all of next week, which means I will not see you for at least 24 days. Not just school days, remember, weekends, Saturdays, Sundays. So you do not officially come back until April 7th, Tuesday. Okay, that's a super long time. Over that time, it is absolutely critical for the parents, students. Here's some information for math. You do your math facts. You study your tables. You go online, you use Imagine Math Facts. Also, you do Imagine Math 1 hour a day. Remember, there's a free tutor online to take advantage of that resource, please. And then these math YouTube video notes, I'll record over 40 videos over the next several weeks to keep your online learning moving. And the videos are there forever. You can always use them. For English language arts, remember, do Imagine Learning reading at least twice a day. By the time I see you in almost a month, your reading level could be up a grade. Also, keep doing Achieve 3000, 1 to 2 articles a day. And most importantly, just read books. Read books out loud with your family, brother, sister. Like I always have my son just read an entire book. Okay? This is probably the most important. But I know in our school, in our district, they're really following these programs, and I'm tracking them as well. So it's important that you do all three. Okay? All right, well, let's get to the recording because this is Unit 5 for MD6, number 11, Measure Angles Using a Protractor. What is a protractor? That is a protractor. Okay, so the best way to do this is to get your hands on it. Okay, obviously this is a video recording. It's just to give you an overview of what the problem looks like. All right, so again, next 24 days, let's still get to work. Okay, we'll be safe, but also we'll still learn a lot because in the end, once it hits May, June, you are going to 5th grade. That is if it's 2020 right now. Grade 4, Unit 5, 2019-2020 practice problems. 4 MD6, number 11. Now, a protractor was printed out for you. I know that's small. So on Class Dojo and in the Google Classroom, I put this on there so you can print it off at home. I gave some of these out already. All right, so here's what the paper printed out protractor looks like. And this one I really like. This was sent from another colleague. And this is the full circle. The more that you look at these, touch these, color these, use these, the more likely you will just ace these problems. Okay. Number 11, use a protractor. Remember, that's a protractor. To find the measure of the angle. Okay. What is that? That is this right here. Okay. This is the angle. So if I highlight this, we want to know from here to here. What is that? Okay. Now on your SBAC assessment, you will have this on the computer and you'll be able to move it over. So again, it's different than actually touching it with your hands. But that's the world that we live in, and that's where assessments is going online. So we will do a lot of computer work with that as well. Select the measure of the angle A. So look, here's angle A, and remember that's going from here to here. It's within the two rays, okay? To the nearest whole degree. All right, so now we have some 110, 130, 90, and 70. And this little dot right here, that's a degree, okay? That means that it's in degrees. All right, so let's go. It's as straightforward as this. See the little dot here? You line it up. You make sure that it's exactly on that line. You don't want to go in like this, okay? It needs to be right on top of it, just like that. Now, when we are looking at this, and if I take an index card, see how 0 goes all the way down there, and then we move up. We move up, here's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now, I had students last year where they saw this and they thought it was 180, 170, 160, 150. No, that's only if you started over here and went all the way over. So since we are starting at the bottom and we're going up, you are using the outside number. So 10 degrees, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. It looks like the arrow is going to 70. Okay. It is definitely not going to 90. So process of elimination gets rid of that. Okay. If I take a nether index card, remember you can go to the dollar store, get 100 of these for $1. There is 90 degrees up there. That's a right angle. Okay. Goes from here straight up. That's not over here. So it can't be that. Once you hit 130 and 110, watch this. If we go farther, this angle from here to here will be 110 degrees. It is not 110. And if we keep getting larger or making it an obtuse angle, which is greater than 90, see how this becomes 130? So it go from here all the way to here. Now, if this is tough to see, remember on your test when it's paper pencil, you can draw this line as far out as you want. So see how I can make it farther? And then I can come down here and extend it. Okay, so now when I put my protractor back down here, I hope it's clear that it shoots right through the 70. Yes, it goes through the 110, but the 110 would be from here to here. Okay. The 70 degree angle, we start at 0 and we go up till we hit 70. So there it is right there. Pretty straightforward. These should be super easy, but I did find out last year I would have kids putting 110. Okay, so the more we practice with these, the more you use them, the better you will get. That's it, 6 minutes. There will be 39 more videos coming because again, I will not see you for 24 days. This is just one short mini lesson. Remember, your homework is to do all of this. Okay, and then also stay informed. You know, read articles online, listen to your parents, and even watch CNN Student News. We've been watching that lately. Okay, so be safe, do your homework, and I will see you in 24 days. Later.